Hello everyone, this is Allison Price of The Infused Life. Thank you for joining me for another homemade non-toxic DIY video. Now, per usual, I've already gone live on my public Facebook page, which is facebook.com/essential oils educator. So you can always go there and watch as well. But I've already made the recipes, so I've just kind of poured it all back into this so I can walk you through it. So today we are talking DIY non-toxic body wash because this month we are focusing on revamping the most toxic hour of our day, which is when we are in the bathroom in the morning getting ready. Women will expose themselves to upwards of over 150 toxins and chemicals. That's gross. That's disgusting. And no wonder we have problems like endocrine issues, endocrine disruption, hormone issues, respiratory issues. I mean, we have to start paying attention to the things that we are allowing ourselves to willingly come into contact with and what they are made from, because that is a huge offender. So, reducing our toxic load, let me show you how easy it is to make your own DIY body wash. You need 4 ingredients. You need liquid castile soap, vegetable glycerin, fractionated coconut oil, and essential oils. And which essential oils you use is up to you. It depends what you like. So all you need to do, and I've already mixed all of it together, you need a half cup, and this will all be in the caption as well, a half cup of liquid castile soap. You will need 4 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. Let's talk about vegetable glycerin for a minute, okay? You want to make sure it is non-GMO because otherwise the vegetables that it is being sourced from, which is most commonly going to be soy or corn, if it's coming from a GMO crop, then it's doused and soaked and basically has been consumed with glyphosate. And so then if you are showering, especially think about this, we're in the shower, the water's warm, it's opening all of our pores wide open to just soak in anything we're putting onto ourselves. Kids can absorb up to 100%, adults up to 60%. So we are essentially absorbing glyphosate willingly into our bodies during our shower because the glycerin has been sourced from GMO crop. So always make sure that your glycerin is non-GMO, okay? Then we've got fractionated coconut oil. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of that. And this is so nice, soothing, silky, nourishing to your skin. And then finally, you're going to add 10 to 12 drops of your essential oils of choice. So this is where it gets really fun because depending on what you enjoy, you can mix it up with your essential oils. And let's face it, when we're normally picking conventional nasty shower gels from the store, most of the time we're buying them based on aroma, right? So if you're a morning showerer, is that a word? If you're a morning showerer, you might want to choose mints and citrus. Combine them together, very invigorating, alert, helps you wake up, helps you get going. So peppermint and wild orange, peppermint and grapefruit, spearmint, eucalyptus and lemon, those would all be wonderful combinations. Or if you're an evening showerer, then you might want to choose essential oils that are a little bit more calming and that help you unwind and relax and slow down. So lavender, Roman chamomile, patchouli, cedarwood, vetiver, you name it, whatever you like, you can add it in. If you, if you use doTERRA, my favorite is Whisper, the blend for women. I love to put that in my homemade body wash. It just smells divine. It's my absolute favorite. It's like a personal perfume. I love it. So I love to add that in. So once you get that all mixed together, then pour it into your bottle. And 2 things here. You can definitely use plastic, even though essential oils are in here, because number 1, there are certain grades of plastic that are okay to be used with essential oils. And number 2, you've got a pretty hefty recipe here of fat-soluble ingredients like castile soap, vegetable glycerin, fractionated coconut oil, mixed with a pretty minimal amount of essential oils. So as long as you're using an approved grade of plastic, you're going to be okay. And I've got all of that linked up for you. So then all you do is you shake, And then you're going to pour it on your sponge or your washcloth or whatever it is that you're using. Don't forget to shake before each use. It will separate, and that's okay. These are natural ingredients. It's not a toxic chemical soup that's just like blah in the bottle holding everything together. So it's okay that it separates. Just shake it before you use it. And voila, you have homemade, non-toxic DIY body wash. Thanks for joining me, everybody, and I will see you again next week with another DIY video. Have a great day.